G'day and welcome back. Cherry Burl bowl today. It's a nice piece left over. I was going to use it on an epoxy bowl, but no, wanted to go to just generically forming a bowl out of a piece of leftover burl. The idea here is to get the bottom of the burl wood flat, and I used a Forstner bit to put in a mortise. I used a wire brush on the front of a drill to take back the rough areas on the bottom of this bowl, getting as much of the dust and dirt off as possible. Got to say that this burl is pretty well dry. Moisture content was down less than 6%. It was pretty hard turning, and there's quite a few voids which I left in the bowl. That gave it its character. So 1/2 inch bowl gouge, taking the bowl down as far as I possibly could without going too thin. Otherwise the voids would meet up, and the structure of the bowl would be affected. Have to be very careful not to get too many catches, because the mortise on the bottom of this bowl was half there and half not. So the truck didn't have a lot to grip onto. Now once it's down to that point, I used a sanding sealer all round, and took the grit right up to 240. Axe placed just prior to then the finish. I used the Deft polyurethane spray can. Since the bottom was going to be sprayed, I left the whole piece to be sprayed both sides, and then used axe paste on the finish when it's dry. Came out a treat. Did have some problems with the shop towels getting into some of the cracks and voids. Just use the air hose to get that out, putting the maker's badge on the bottom. So this is a pretty easy project. All up probably 3 hours work, mostly getting the bottom of the bowl clean. It came out a treat. So thanks for joining me on this one. Another video coming up next week. Cheers, guys.